Hello students, in this topic we will be starting with units and dimensions, which is the basic of chemical engineering, and the question follows. The flow rate of water through a pipe is reported as 15 cubic feet per minute. Taking density of water as 1 gram per centimeter cube, calculate the mass flow rate in kilogram per second. You have been asked to find out the mass flow rate in kilogram per second, and the data provided are 15 cubic feet per minute, which is the flow rate, and the density of water, which is provided 1 gram per centimeter cube. Now the flow rate, which is in 15 cubic feet per minute, you have to convert this unit into meter cube per second, because it is the flow rate, and flow rate is basically the volumetric flow rate. Now generally volume we calculate it in meter cube or centimeter cube. Now in SI unit we'll be calculating it in meter cube per second, not by per minute. So you got to convert the unit from feet to meter, cubic feet to meter cube, and from minute to second. The conversion factor for this conversion is 1 feet cube per minute is equal to, for converting feet cube, the unit converter is 0.3048 meter. One feet is equal to 0.3048 meter, and so 1 cubic feet is equal to 0.3048 cubic meter cube. And for per minute, I need to change this minute to second, which will be 60 seconds. This goes my volumetric flow rate. Now since this is the conversion factor, so for volumetric flow rate, here it is given 15 cubic feet per minute. I'll be converting this 15 feet cube per minute into meter cube per second by multiplying this with 0.3048 cube divided by 60, and this will give me in meter cube per second. Now calculating this volumetric flow rate, you will be getting 8.083 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second. This is the volumetric flow rate. Now I have to work out with this density. Density is given in gram per centimeter cube. You need to convert it to kg per meter cube. All you need to do is you have to go to the SI units of these things. Density is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube. Now for converting density into kg per meter cube, 1 gram is to be converted into kg. For that 10 to the power minus 3 kg, and for converting centimeter cube into meter cube, 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. So finally this gives me 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. Now the formula for mass flow rate. Now generally what we know is that mass is equal to density into volume, because density is equal to mass by volume. From there, mass is equal to density into volume. Now here you are asked to find out mass flow rate. We already know the volumetric flow rate. If you multiply this density with volumetric flow rate, then you can easily get this mass flow rate. Therefore, mass flow rate is equal to density into volumetric flow rate. These were my calculated values. I had converted this already into kg since they had asked me to find this mass flow rate in kg per second. So I'm putting density in kg per meter cube unit, 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube into, for volumetric flow rate, here is my calculated value, 8.083 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second. Here the unit is per meter cube and here the unit is meter cube, so it gets cancelled out. I am left out with kg per second, and multiplying this 10 cube and 10 to the power minus 3, these two gets cancelled out. I am left with only 8.083 kg per second. This is my final answer for this mass flow rate. In the next video, we will be proceeding with more sums and more conversions on this chapter.